In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images in Perplexity with a focus on creating a Coca-Cola bottle redesign. Whether you're a budding designer, someone interested in AI image generation, or just looking for a fresh approach to redesign tasks, you're in the right place. Let's get started and explore this fascinating process step by step. First, you'll need to access Perplexity's website, which is where all the magic happens. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type in Perplexity AI to find the website. If you're unfamiliar with Perplexity, it's a powerful platform that enables you to create intricate designs and concepts with the help of artificial intelligence. Once Google presents you with a list of results, click on the official Perplexity link. This should be one of the top options you see. Once on the Perplexity homepage, it's time to start crafting your prompt. We're going to take inspiration from luxury fashion by reimagining the iconic Coca-Cola bottle as if it were redesigned by Louis Vuitton. In the prompt field, type, "The Coca-Cola bottle is redesigned by Louis Vuitton." Make sure your description is clear and vivid, as this will help the AI generate an image that aligns with your vision. The more detailed and specific the prompt, the better the result typically is. Next, navigate to the Models section on the Perplexity platform. Here is where you get to choose the AI model that will process your image generation prompt. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Gemini 2.5 Pro model. It's a sophisticated model known for its nuanced understanding and high-quality outputs, perfect for creative tasks like redesigning an object with a high-fashion twist. After selecting Gemini 2.5 Pro, it's time to submit your prompt for processing. Locate the Submit button on the page and click it. This is where Perplexity does its work, interpreting your prompt and creating a unique design. It usually takes a few moments for an image to generate, so be patient while the AI works its magic. Once the image is ready, you'll be able to see your redesigned Coca-Cola bottle in its new fashionable form. You can experiment with different prompts or alter existing ones to see how the AI can transform other objects or themes with varied influences. And there you have it. You've successfully generated an innovative image in Perplexity, combining the classic style of Coca-Cola with the elegant touch of Louis Vuitton. This exploration into AI-generated imagery not only broadens your design horizons, but also showcases the potential of technology in creative industries. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to use Perplexity for image generation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.